Okay, I'm doing some laundry. How to use the washer. Open door. Got it. Fill garments in drum and close door. Jackpot. Select a program. White wash, the colors, blah blah blah. I went with the mild. I don't know. Please insert coins after completing steps 1 to 3. I did insert 7 Hong Kong $5 coins, which I think ends up being about 5 US. Pretty freaking expensive to do some laundry. And then you press this button to start. And then when finished, open door and take everything. So I've gone down here and I've done all of this mess. I've gotten all this up set. I did 1, 2, 3. I think we're just going to push start here. And I think it's ready to go. I can't quite figure out why it's not going. I don't know. Are these buttons pushable? What do you... No. Fuck. I don't know. Well, wait a minute and just kind of see if the magic happens. Damn it. Of course. 35 is what it started off with. I put the 7 coins in. This is 0. The Hong Kong washing machine has fooled me. Huh. I don't know. I'm confused as shit. 30. Oh no. 30. Put all money in. Rock and roll. Maybe I need to make one of these options here in the middle. What does this mean? EX plus. Of course. So put the menu for that. Start. Go. Did I not close the door? Maybe. You know what? Maybe I didn't. Detergent and softener are dispensed automatically.